Are you running a local business and wondering how to get more eyes on your brand without spending millions on ads? Today, I'm going to show you how influencer marketing can work even better for local brands. Yep, even if you're a bakery, salon, clothing store, or anything in between. Let's dive in. Here's the thing. Local influencers might not have a million followers, but they have something more powerful: community trust. Their audience knows them personally. They live in your town. They go to the same events. So when they talk about your business, people listen. And the best part, many of them are micro-influencers, which means they're affordable and get more engagement. Here's a quick hack. Go on Instagram and type in your town or city in the location search. Scroll through the top posts and look for creators who are getting lots of likes and comments. Bonus tip. Use hashtags like #AdoAKittyBlogger or #LagosFoodie. Just replace it with your location and niche. You can also use free tools like Collabster or Hype Auditor if you want to go deeper. Once you've found your local influencers, it's time to slide into their DMs. But do it right. Here's a quick message you can copy. Hey name, I love your content, especially the post about mention something specific. I run a local business here in city and would love to collaborate with you. Let me know if you're open to a quick chat. Keep it real, short, and personal. And yes, you can offer free products or services in exchange for a shout-out. Win-win. Here are 3 super effective ideas for local campaigns. Try and review. Invite them to experience your service or product and share their honest review. Giveaway collab. Team up for a giveaway. Their followers have to follow your page and tag friends to win. Shop tour or behind the scenes. Let them show their followers what makes your business special. Always give influencers a custom discount code or trackable link. That way, you know what's actually working. Track things like engagement, follower growth, sales, foot traffic. If you're a physical store, final tips, rapid fire. Repost every influencer mentioned to your page. Say thank you. Publicly build long-term relationships. Don't ghost them after one post. So, if you're a local brand looking to grow without breaking the bank, influencer marketing is your secret weapon. Want more marketing tips like this? Hit that like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you're already using influencer marketing, or if you're about to try it. See you in the next one.